Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's find out whether this expression converges or diverges. To find this one out, what we have to do, we have to take the limit. But before we take the limit, if you look at this limits of integration, this going from -2 to 3, and we have 0 in between, right? If you plug 0 for this x value, that's going to give you infinity. That means this is a vertical asymptote right here. So we have to do something about this. So what we do in this kind of situation is we separate this one into two parts. Like this is going to go from -2 to 0 and 1 over x power 4 dx, and then we are going to have 0 to 3 1 over x power 4 dx, right? So this is what we are going to have. But in order to do this, we have to know the integration. It's better to find that one alone and then do this part, right? Now let's find out the integration. Let's avoid these limits and find out the integration. This is 1 over x power 4 dx, and I can also write this one as x power minus 4 dx, right? So if you integrate this one, you will get x power -3 over -3 plus constant. So this is same as minus 1 over 3 x cubed plus constant. I just moved this negative x power -3 to the bottom, right? So that's how we got positive right here. Now we have the integration. Now let's go ahead and solve this one, right? But in order to be convergence, both of them has to be convergence. If one of them is divergence, we can stop right there and say this expression is divergence, right? Now let's go ahead and see whether this convergence or divergence. To find that one out, what we do, we take the limit t approaches 0, so we replace 0 with t, so this is going to be -2 to t 1 over x power 4 dx. Now we already know the integration, so instead of doing the integration, we can directly do the substitution right here. So this is going to be limit t approaches 0 from the left side, so we have to put a negative sign right here. T approaches from left side, and we are going to have this expression. This is -1 over 3x cubed, and that is the limits of integration is -2 to t. Now let's go ahead and plug the values. So limit t approaches 0, we are going to have -3t cubed minus, and this also minus, right? So minus, that's going to make this one plus, and 1 over 3 times -2 cubed. Now if you look at this one, if you apply infinity for this one, this is going to be, this is actually 0, right? If we apply 0 right here, this is going to be infinity. So this is going to be -infinity. So here we are going to have -infinity, and this is a -0 right here, so this is going to be positive infinity. Finally we will get positive infinity, and plus whatever the value is still going to be infinity. So this is going to be divergent because we don't have a finite number. So this is a divergent, so we don't have to do the other one. If one of them is divergence, we can go ahead and say this expression diverges. So the final answer is going to be this one diverges. And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time.